Everyone. So here I'm presenting my final assignment for the cohort. So it's a plugin called Ramp Master. So what it does is I've created this plugin for the Look the Wix graph editor. A tiny intro for the editor would be, it's similar to Hypershade, which is specific to Maya, but this one works with USD and MaterialX. So whatever we create here can be taken to any other DCCs like Houdini, Katana, etc. Yeah. So for this to work, I need a material like stack and a document. A document is more like a container where I could create access and create all the nodes you could use. So I'm inside a container. So if I click tab, you would see all the nodes I could create. One of them is this ADSK ramp. So just gonna launch the plugin. This is the plugin. So it's basically the same thing as this, where you could create all the color pods, edit color, right? So and change type and interpolation, it's all the same thing you could do here. The only thing special is the preset options. The ADSK RAM does not have presets, so whatever I create, if I'm on a new session, I want to create the same thing, that's not possible because you can't save this or recreate it, right? MaterialX is new, lot being actively developed, so not everything is available immediately. So that's the whole reason I created. That's the one thing I wanted to solve here uh, by by making it able to save the preset and reuse it as many times as needed. So just going to delete it and show off the plugin here. So what I have here is as I've mentioned, we have some preset options here, and then all the parameter options that you saw on the actual ramp node, type, interpolation, etc. And here you could add color manually, and whatever you add, the color swatch gets displayed here. And then you click on create ramp and creates the actual ramp node. So I'm gonna actually do that. Choose some color. Right, I've chosen 4 colors. You could create up to 30 color pots. That's a maximum and that's a default. So I've chosen 4 colors for now, and just going to create ramp. As you can see, it creates this ramp with the colors I've chosen, and I could create different ones here. That is all fine. That is all the same thing you could do with the ramp node as well. So let's dive into the preset option. So once you have once you have happy with the color you have chosen, you could save this as a preset and you can give it a name. 456, save it. And once you have saved, just gonna reset it or clear all. That's gonna clear all the colors I've chosen. And let's say I want to create this ramp node again with the same colors choices. So all I have to do is click the drop down and choose the preset and create it, and it's going to create the same one with the same color. So yeah, you could add a new color, right, and then save this. That will show up here as well, right? As you can see the difference, and you could create it. That's gonna work, and you could delete the preset if you don't want some, right? And you could reset the whole plugin and it's back to default. You could also remove the color pods by left clicking on it, or you could just do clear all to clear all the pods. Yeah, I've planning to add more stuff later. I have some active bugs right now, but yeah, thanks for watching.